So we are in the car parking area right now. This is where we've parked the car. Where's our next stop, Tashla?
The next stop is in Merrick.
So we are going to Merrick. Oh, we don't have a tripod today, so yeah, we're going to Merrick. So see you guys there. Bye. We are on our way to Merrick. We've decided to go to Merrick. So yes. The road is so narrow and our car is so dirty. Thank God the day is clear. So yes, from here, Goom is around 3 hours. That is if we don't know the way. And if you know the way and if you don't stop anywhere, it's like around 2 to 2.5 hours. And from Siliguri it's nearer, but we've decided to go to Merrick first and then to Siliguri. That's what we've planned. So yes, see you in Merrick. On our way to Merrick, we've come across this small town that is Lepcha Ghat. Lepcha Jagat. Ow.
I did not see that.
Lepcha Jagat.
Green Valley Homestay.
So we've been told that the view from, if we go walk a bit from here, the view from the top is amazing. Darjeeling looks really good from the top, but then it's quite gloomy today, so I don't think so we'll go and walk. Plus we have to reach Siliguri, so I think we'll continue going to Merrick. So yeah, Aniva suggested us, one of my friend cum sister suggested us to go walk for a bit uphill, maybe 5 minutes, then to see the view from there. And yes, but I don't think so the view is that good today, so we are going to Merrick. We've stopped here in the middle of the road on our way to Merrick because we wanted, especially me, I wanted to take a picture with this milestone, which is like a milestone which shows a kilometer to Sukiya. So the reason I stopped here is because Sukiya is my best friend's hometown. That's why I wanted to take a picture and post it and tag her. So that's why. So yeah, let's continue, Tashla. So we reached Sukiya Pokeri. This is Sukiya, my best friend's hometown. That's a police station. Sandakpur is 39 kilometers from here. Straight. Merrick is straight 25 kilometers. Siliguri is 69. Bagdogra 81. Manivanjang 7 kilometers. So yes, we've reached Merrick. This is the bazaar, the town. It's a we'll be going towards the lake. We'll spend some time there. Jagjit भन्ने लेफ्ट साइडमा आउँछ एक्सक्युज मी लेक कतापट्टि होला है मिरिक लेक कतापट्टि हो गाडी चाहिँ त्यहीँ राख्दा हुन्छ ए हुन्छ थ्याङ्क यू यहीँ छेउमै अरे कि गाडी पार्किङ छ अरे त्यहीँ माथि So we are entering the famous Mirik Lake. It has changed a lot recently. Coming here after so long. But then wasting my time down looking for forgiveness every day. Like my hair. Why do we do that? Why do I do that? Yeah. So we'll park a car here. Yeah. Dustbin ko chuma. So yes, we are in Mirik. Like this is the only place we're going to visit in Mirik. This is the park, and there's a lake there, the famous Mirik Lake. I just remember that bridge. The last time I visited was when I was in the 5th standard, I think.
Yeah, that's Zendan taking pictures of the tourists. She works here in Mirik Lake as a photographer. She charges only 10 rupees per photo, I think. So, how much do you charge per photo?
Just 5 rupees.
So, have you been working here since the beginning, or?
Yes, when they started making this park, when this thing came
Yeah.
up, this park. Earlier there was no park, so I was like jobless. But then after they made this park, a lot of people started coming, and then I started doing this business on my own. Like you know, like per day, like you normally see like around 500 people coming. So out of 500,
okay.
approx 400 will be taking pictures,
And, like-
and 400 people taking like 400 people will take around 10 shots. So 400 into 10, you do the calculation. 4,000 into 5, 20.
And can I ask you 3 questions?
Yes.
Number 1, how much do you charge?
That 3 questions came from the movie, the South Indian movie, Geeta Rani, no?
Madam Geeta
Madam
Rani.
Geeta Rani.
So, can you tell us some few poses that you ask the tourist
I
to?
don't ask them. I don't. I don't ask them to give poses. I just take good pictures. I know that. I trust myself. So yeah. If you want to do boating in this Mirik Lake, you get the ticket counters from there. So they start boating from here and they go there to that end and then they come back. We won't be doing it because we don't have enough time since we have to go to Siliguri. So we'll just take a walk on that bridge and then we'll head back. We'll eat something on the way, maybe here or in the town itself. So we'll just. Tashla is really hungry, so he just wants to have something in this dhaba. So let's see. The famous Mirik pool.
हाय भाई तो
So cold. See, you can see the park. Really nice. It's really nice. Earlier there was nothing over here. There was nothing. There was just this lake and this blue and white bridge that I remember. I've even taken pictures over here. I'd come with my family back then. can take pictures, you can wear different traditional clothes. There's Nepali dress, then Tibetan, I can see Gurung. So yeah, you can try them on and take pictures. Get going! So we've come here for tea. I love the carrot cake. I'm almost done with it. We bought this thaipo on the way. We bought this in Mirik and we got really nice thaipo with eggs, chicken and some veggies inside. It's so yum. Like it? Liked it?
Yep.
We're on our way to Korea now. So yes, I hope you all enjoyed watching our vlog. Please, you all know what I'm going to say. If you all haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe to our channel and also like this video and share it if you liked it. So yes, bye.
This is everything you got.